Greetings, greetings to my beautiful brothers and sisters them out there. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all are doing well. I'm down here in the yard. I worked so hard yesterday and today. I got up real early this morning and working and cleaning up. I'm gonna show you how much work I did trimming up the banana trees, and this is still a lot. It's still there to do. I mean, a whole lot. Yes, I've been working really hard in the garden, and I'm gonna show you some of the things that I've been doing. Yes, it's been a beautiful day. I mean, beautiful day. I've been asking, oh my goodness, these plants need like 8 hours, a good bright sunshine, and we got it today. And then the rain come after, guys. Ain't that beautiful? Nature is beautiful, and I'm just loving it, enjoying every bit of it. I'm telling you, yesterday I went to get some more coconut plants, and trust me, the sun was going down while I was putting them in, and I'm gonna show you them. Everything is just coming up so beautiful. My cashew trees, I mean, I have a huge one up at the top, and then I plant these at the bottom, and I'll go around and I'll show you all these beautiful plants that I have put in. But it's been amazing. Yes, we've been getting little rain, and you know, it's so awesome when we get a good soaking shower that soak the root of the plants, because man, it is awesome with the sunshine, because you know that you need the sunshine and you need the rain. So when you get a good 8 hours or even 9 hours straight on these beautiful plants, banana, cashew tree, jackfruit, papaya, yellow yam, I mean cashew tree, you name it, soursop, mangoes, breadfruit, ackee, I mean June plums. All kind of plums and everything in here, you know. So it's the ackee tree, and you know, all the beautiful things, the avocados and all that. They need the nice sunshine and then the beautiful rain that comes with it. Yes. But I've just been, you know, really working and doing all these beautiful things. Pineapples are shooting out pineapples. Man, it is beautiful when you can come outside and pick a papaya, pineapple, and you know, I don't start the vegetable beds yet, guys. I need some raised beds, but I don't want the wooden ones because I don't want nothing to eat them out. I want something that's gonna last a very long time. So I'm gonna try and get some of those, and when I get those, I'm gonna be putting in all my vegetables, my arugula, my kale, my tomatoes, my peppers, and all the beautiful vegetables. And I have a lot of seeds, so I'm gonna be putting them in. Broccoli, cauliflower, you name it, I have it all. So I want to grow those things, my beans and stuff, but I want to really grow them in the raised bed. And I also want to get a greenhouse. And at the spot down here, right down here where I clean out, if you can see it, this is where I want to do a nice greenhouse right here. You can see it, guys. Tell me what you think. Right down in this area, I clean it out, and I chopped down. I had to tell the avocado tree, I'm sorry, but I had to cut out one of them so we could get more light in here on the plants, because they need more sunlight. So that's why I cut it down, because it's too many of them and I need the sunlight. If it was more land, then we could do that, but for now I had to do that. So yes, and you know, over on this side over here we have some coconut. I put some new ones in, and then I have, like, let me see, 1, 2, 3 cashew, 1 apple, and a mango and avocado over here, and the bananas and the yellow yams are all in here, and 1 jackfruit tree. So everything is doing so well. I mean, I am so happy with it. Very happy and pleased with the result of what I see I'm doing. And I touch myself and say, girl, you're doing a very good job, you know, by cleaning up and doing all this stuff. And to me, it looks so good. I really would want you to see it. Maybe we could turn you know, and see what the plants they look like on the other side over there. Yes, and because they are growing.
Sorry to interject, but we'll do that tomorrow when I get the handheld. It's on the tripod right now, so the sun's going down. We'll do that tomorrow.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap it down, and I hope you all have a beautiful evening. Enjoy the rest of your day wherever you are, because I know it's 5:19, so I know it's early afternoon where most people are. Some people is like 6:19, because like in the UK I think they are 5 hours ahead, so you guys are 1 hour ahead of us here in Ghana, so it's different time zone wherever you are. California, I know it's a different, I'm not sure how much hour ahead is California, Texas, and different places. It's so different. I'm telling you, it's awesome. You go to different places and it's a different time zone and all that stuff. So, you know, wherever you are, I hope you are enjoying yourself. Enjoy the day. Big up yourself, and we will catch up again. Much love to you all. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Yes, take care now. Bye.